icon.
Cementing her status.
She's a legend.
One of music's biggest stars.
And she is the moment.
I keep hearing this song, The Table of Plenty, and I just feel like you guys are at this stage in your life, if you're drawn to this video, where you might be wanting to start something new, but you're not entirely sure. You don't think that you have all of the necessary things in your life. You don't have, you know, everything together, perfect, whatever. And I just feel like this is your message today to just get started anyways, because whatever you do not have, whatever you are lacking, the universe is going to provide and is going to make up for you. So you don't have to worry about anything anymore. You just have to go for it, get started, and then everything will work out for you. Yeah, because I'm seeing that you guys are getting a major shift in perspective when it comes to the way that you're doing things, the world, and everything around you. I'm also seeing that you guys could definitely be getting a bigger following, could have a lot more people starting to watch you, YouTube channels. If you're a doctor, you're starting to get more patients, whatever it is, you are starting to bring a lot more of this abundance in your life. And because of that, you're having a lot more followers or people that are interested in getting to know what it is, how you got to where you are today. And so there's going to be a lot of people in your life that you need to quote unquote feed, like give that information to, give that advice to, give that, you know, consulting to, whatever, give that entertainment to, whatever it is. That you guys are going to be having to do here. And because of that, obviously there's a lot more attention coming your way, and you might feel a little bit of imposter syndrome, or like, I don't know if I got this. I don't know if I belong. I don't know if I'm perfect enough for this yet. But the thing is that you don't have to be perfect. You literally just have to get started. And I feel like you guys could have heard that quote somewhere recently. That's why it's coming into my mind right now. And especially with the Four of Wands, there is some sort of divinely guided purpose that you are being thrust towards. And look at this, you guys. This table is full, right? Just like your life. You already have everything that you need to succeed within you. There is nothing external that you need to go after, that you need to buy, get, have, whatever. It's like, even if you're starting a YouTube channel, you don't need the best camera ever. You just need a camera, right? Like, you literally just have to get started. It doesn't have to be anything serious or big or, you know, life-changing right away. You can work up to that. And the more that you go and progress, the more that people get to see a little bit of your lore, your backstory. And it's okay to show people that you are growing and that you're changing. And I just think it's beautiful. And again, you're totally divinely guided for this. This is your sole purpose. Nobody can take this spot from you because it's already been taken by you, reserved for you. Yeah, and you could have been left out in the cold by this purpose or by something similar in the past that really just beat you down and made you not want to go after your goals again. Or you might even just be thinking like, hey girl, if I go after this goal, is everything just going to end up the exact same way? And this message literally found you today to tell you, no, it's not going to be the same. Life after this is going to be drastically different. And it's because you're coming to a full table, a table that already has everything that you need. You literally, again, just have to get started. The rest of the information will be fed to you along the way by your divine guidance, by God, by angels, whatever you believe in. Yes, and it's this passion that you're bringing to the table, this Queen of Wands energy that you need to have more of. You need to be more passionate, show more of your fire, show more of your authentic self. Hello, I will cover up there. But the more that you show your authentic self and your passion and you allow yourself to shine, the more that it encourages others to shine as well and look just as beautiful and go after their dreams and their goals and their ambitions. But if you keep shying and hiding yourself away, you're never going to live that true life that you are meant to live, the true life that you really deserve, that rich, baddie, bitch life, the one where you are living your fullest dreams and everything is in your fullest potential. Again, everything is being served up for you on a platter. Are you willing to accept it? Are you ready to accept it? There is a major offering coming in here for you guys. And again, this is at a time in which you're feeling very stagnant, slow, like nothing is really going your way. And then all of a sudden it's like, boom, bam. The things that you've been working for suddenly are working out. The things that you have been putting your time and your effort into are suddenly coming into fruition and are suddenly working out perfectly. I'm hearing lucky girl syndrome. So you guys could be going on a major lucky streak. You could already feel very lucky, but your luck is increasing even more. So we'd love to hear that. Yes. And with the Eight of Cups, you are really stepping out into the unknown. You don't know what's going to happen next, and that's okay. You do not have to have everything figured out in order to start. Yeah. Like I said, you literally just have to start. And with going into the unknown, again, you're not going to know everything that's going to happen. It's going to feel very like blindsided, you know, like, yeah, like they're showing me the movie Bird Box where she's like paddling down a river, but she's completely blindfolded because, you know, like you can't see the monster, whatever. But that's the kind of vibe that life is. Sometimes you literally feel like you're just paddling along. You don't know like what's in front of you. You have no idea, but you just have to keep going and trust that divine is going to be there, and believe. Believe is the biggest word of today. Belief is what you have to have. You have to believe that things are going to work out for you. You have to believe that you will be successful. You have to believe that there is money on the other side of this. You have to believe, period. Because if you don't, you're never gonna want to go for this. And the more delusional you are, the more that you just believe that this thing is gonna work out for you, the more that you're gonna take risks and take chances. Because if you know it's gonna work out for you, then you might as well take a risk or take a chance or try something new. Yeah, okay, yes, oh, we love to see it. We've got the Emperor card here. Yeah, so a lot of you are stepping into this divine Emperor state. Okay, where you can really just own your own business. I'm hearing, like, again, it might be your own practice, it might be coaching people, whatever it is, you guys are going to be owning your own company or working your way up to the top, being the emperor of your life, commanding the shots. You no longer have to explain yourself, sis, 100,000 times. This is what I'm working on. Here's what I'm working on. What do you guys think about this? What do you think? No. You do not need any more opinions other than your own. Again, you literally just have to get started. Stop talking to people about it. People will put intentions on it no matter what. Even if they have your best and purest intentions at heart, sometimes they just have their own things that have happened to them in the past and they're protective over you. And so they don't want the same thing that happened to them to happen to you. And those projections will throw you off of your path a little bit. And so the less that you can have those projections, the better that life will be. And the better that you can just go about things in life, making moves in silence, making moves in silence, and making moves. That's when you can come clear about it, is after you've made the moves, after you've got the channel going and you've got 1,000 subscribers. Then share it with everybody and be like, hey, look at what I did. Look at what I've done. Hey. But with the Emperor here, I'm really feeling like you guys are stepping into this powerful side of yourself where you're no longer taking bullshit from anybody else. And with the Queen of Wands here, you are accepting yourself authentically. And if people don't want to ride with you authentically, if people don't want to accept you as you are authentically 110,000% yourself, then sis, they need to step the fuck aside. These people are not going to ride with you, okay? Yes. I've got my coconut here. Like I said before, the more confident that you can be in yourself and the more that you can already feel like, yes, everything is provided for me, the more that things are just going to keep working out for you. You don't have to follow everything with a but or like a what if, you know, because who cares? Follow it up with a fun what if. Like, what if the biggest celebrity notices, again, I keep going back to being a doctor, but like, what if the biggest celebrity in the world notices my practice, notices Ariana comes to my clinic and is like, hey girl, check me out, you know? Then all of a sudden it's like, boom, bam, boom, you're popping. Start discovering more of those positive what ifs, the positive things that could happen or could stumble upon your life. And the more that you notice those positive things, the more that they are going to flourish and grow and keep blossoming and keep providing more and more and more every single day. Yes, honey, okay? We also have the Five of Swords. Yes, so you guys could just be feeling like you're lacking that victory in your life. Well, get ready because victory is now coming in. There is no more lack in this life. There is only abundance. There is no more fear. There is only hope and peace about the situation. And again, you might not be able to see exactly where you're going. You might not be able to control every single little teeny tiny thing, plan every single little teeny tiny thing out before you get started. You just are going to get started and you're going to be successful from there. So don't put so much pressure on yourself all the time. You're doing incredible. Yes, baddies, I love you. I'm praying that this brought you some clarity and I'll see you very, very soon, okay? Goodbye.